To read. To write. To ride. Ride a bike. Ride a horse. To wash. Wash a sweater. Wash the dishes. To play. Play football. Play the piano. To speak. Speak English. Speak Polish. Can. Can't. He can write, but he can't read. They can ride a bike, but they can't ride a horse. He can speak Spanish, but he can't speak English. I can wash the dishes, but I can't wash my sweater. She can write an email, but she can't write a book. Can you? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. Can she read books in French? No, she can't. But she can read books in Polish. Can she wash her sweater? No, she can't. But she can wash her car. Can she write long emails? Yes, she can. Can they speak English? Yes, they can. Can he play the piano? No, he can't. But he can play football. Can he wash the glasses? Yes, he can. Can you ride a horse? Yes, I can. Can they speak German? No, they can't, but they can speak French. Can he write long emails? No, he can't, but he can write short emails.